All right, everybody, forecast update here at 10:03 p.m. your Sunday night. Very rainy out there. Let's get started taking a look at radar across the area. There is a lot of rain across the area, as you can see. And what we're currently tracking is this big batch here. Now, I'm starting to be in agreement with the high-resolution mesoscale models there. And the all the models are pretty much in agreement that this big batch right here is going to continue to do pretty much what it's doing, and that is kind of weaken on out. Like it's going to hang out up here in this area here, further north. So some heavier rainfall there expected. We do expect the higher rainfall amounts to particularly be up in this area here. So we could see anywhere between 1.6, let's say, maybe 2 inches of rainfall in this area. And over here in our area, northeast Alabama, and I'm excluding Jackson County for a reason, we could possibly see maybe 1 inch of rainfall here. Some locally higher amounts, can't rule out. But this part of Jackson County, they can also see some slightly higher amounts, so maybe 1.5 up here to the northeast, because that's kind of where that heavier stuff's making it. But again, we're still going to continue to monitor this batch of rainfall here because it's going to determine a lot of how far east it gets. Right now, it's doing pretty much what the high-resolution models has predicted it's going to do. Light rain, but some moderate and embedded in. It's not an even coverage of rain. So far we've only had 0.08 of rain here at the station. So we're going to keep watching this. Nothing severe for our area. I can say that. Nothing severe. There is a threat of some strong thunderstorms, or actually severe thunderstorms to our south, but as far as that goes, there's no threat of severe weather in North Alabama at this time. So that is the good news. Now, the forecast outlook, of course, we've already made it to tonight, 100% chance of showers, low of 44. We get a break tomorrow. We'll look at that and get exact timing here shortly. We get an 80% chance of showers in the morning, then showers, 50% chance throughout the day. And then as we go into Monday night, more showers and maybe a few storms will develop. Low of 56. Overnight, it goes to a 90% chance. For your Tuesday, 90% chance of more showers, maybe a few thunderstorms. Highs around 65. So, what's causing all this mess? So let's take a look at rain for, of course, tonight and Monday. There's our system just talking about that. So the timing, when does this stuff look like it gets out of here? Well, according to the models, it looks like it gets out of here around 10, 11 a.m. It moves on out, and our next batch comes in, which will be on Tuesday and Wednesday. This timing here, let me take another look at that because the new high-resolution models are just coming in, and I'm not able to tell. But into Tuesday and Wednesday, this will get on out of here. The timing, I've still not got it because the high-resolution models are updating. So I don't have them yet, but as you see, there is some blue on the backside of this. Very close to, North Alabama. Of course, unfortunately, it's further northeast and north. I do expect all the snow to stay, unfortunately, north and northeast of our area here at this time, meaning I don't expect any snow here. Unfortunately, snow lovers, sorry about that. But I could be wrong. I mean, we've seen it happen before, so I could be wrong. It'd be nice if I was. I'd like to see a snow. But we got our chances coming in January and February. We know how it goes in January and February. That's usually when we get it. But anyway, here's our cold front coming through. Another very strong Arctic cold front coming through here. And we start getting that colder air in here Wednesday, and then it really comes in toward the weekend. But the thing is it's going to warm up after this. Models still showing it warming up after this period here. So the outlooks, they do favor above average temperatures. So it's kind of one of those up-down scenarios where you have a warm up and then you have cold air come back in and then you warm up. But the models almost all the way to the holidays was above average. I mean, once we get past this cold front here, move forward, it looks like it dries. I mean, it gets kind of a bit warmer. Now I'm going to look at the GFS model while I'm in the background here and see, if I see anything. This is December 12th outlook, by the way, that you're seeing. Right now, we're going to move forward, and it does actually start to warm up. Of course, the GFS is only going to December the 13th, and we do start to see a warm up. So out in Texas, you can see we got some warm up on the way there in the 60s. So we do start warming up around, after we get through this cold front here, we do start to warm up just a little bit. So thanks again for watching. Just wanted to do a quick update here at 10:08 now. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all have a great rest of your night. Be careful if you're driving on the roads because it is going to be slick out there. And before I end, we'll have one more quick look at Doppler radar. So let's go ahead and switch back to Doppler radar. We'll have another look at it before I do get ready to end everything. So backing everything up here. Looking back at Doppler radar one last time. Let's get back toward our Huntsville station here. We've got some moderate, light to moderate showers pretty much across all the area. Heavier rainfall staying to the northwest as the high-resolution models were showing. We do have some moderate rainfall currently moving into Arab, Albertville, Boaz area. By the time I get this video uploaded, it'll probably be further northeast, like moving into northwest portions of DeKalb County. Possibly southwestern portions of the cab. Looks like it's going kind of toward Albertville, Boaz. So a little bit of a shower there. Some heavier stuff up toward Huntsville and to the west. Other than that, just some scattered showers across there. And if the heavier stuff does stay over northwest Alabama, as the model showed, well, they would get the heaviest rain. But we still got a potential to get an inch of rain or more. So that being said, thanks for watching, everybody. And it hasn't changed. Let me get that up really quick because I would like to show everybody the rainfall. And it hasn't changed, since the last time. So let me take one more look at this, make sure I'm telling you correctly that it hasn't changed. Okay, bear with me. I'm going to go and make double sure that this is correct. Don't want to give anybody any bad information, I want it to be accurate. So let's take a look at that. There is an excessive rainfall outlook for all of North Alabama. And models, they haven't changed. 1.1, I still say we can see some higher amounts again. That will be where the heaviest stuff is at, but let's take a look right quick. Get that up. So I hope you've had a good weekend. Again, if you're out driving, be safe on those roadways. They will be slick. Since we haven't had, a real good rain in a while. So let's get that image back up there. And there's our rainfall total. So this is from now till December 15th, Sunday. Models do show some darker shades further north, of course, in Jackson County. 1.6 over there toward Madison and in Jackson County. Could get up to 2 inches there. But the biggest, heaviest rainfall is still showing to be to the northwest and to our southeast. Big area circled there that goes all the way into Georgia, where there is a slight risk of excessive rainfall issued out there. Sorry about that, everybody. And we're going to keep watching it, though. Nothing severe, thankfully. So we'll get on out of here. God bless. Have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next update.